What's up, YouTube? In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make extra money from home. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because surprisingly, there are people out there that are making money doing this. One simple, fun, and you're going to enjoy this video. Trust me, I'm telling you, you're going to enjoy this video. So this is for people who love animals, right? So what I'm going to show you in this video, people are out there making money dog sitting. And I'm going to show you 3 websites that you can go on and you can sign up to be a dog sitter. You can make anywhere up to at least an extra $1,000 a month. So I've done the research. I find these top 3 websites. So make sure you watch this video. And then for those of you who are just, this is your first time on my channel, welcome. On this channel, I talk about affiliate marketing, how to make money online. And as you can see, there's a lot of videos on here. So if this video don't connect with you, it's okay. Stick around. There's more videos coming up, and I have a ton of videos in here. All you got to do is just go through, watch them, and see what works best for you. And if you're looking for a way how you can start making money online, where you can generate passive income and you can learn how to be, let's say, social media expert, you want to learn Facebook ads, Instagram, all that type of stuff, because this is the world that we're living in today. And people are reaching out to people to run their ads, Facebook account, all that kind of stuff. And if you want to dive deep into affiliate marketing, check out the link down below. I'm going to give you a free 15-day challenge. So you don't even have to pay any money to sign up for that. All right, so let's jump into things right away. So the first website I'm going to be talking about is called Dog Vacay. So Dog Vacay, you can sign up for this specific website. As you can see, there's a lot of people that are traveling out of town, all that type of stuff, and they want, they want to leave their loved ones behind. I call them loved ones because your dog is your loved one, right? You want to leave your dog behind, and you want to leave them in good hands. Some people probably going to work and want to drop their dogs off. So it's like a babysitter, but it's dog sitter. So this website is pretty cool. You could just go through it. It's called dogvacay.com. And if you want to be a dog sitter, just scroll the way down to the bottom, click on where it says become a sitter. All you have to do is just click on it and look at this, right? And I said it before, you can earn up to $1,000 per month. That's an extra $1,000 per month doing something that you love. So if you're a pet lover, if you're a dog lover, this is the perfect job. This is the ideal job for you. So just come here and just fill out the application, and you could just get started right away. So again, you can earn up to $1,000 a month. So the second website that I'm talking about is called wagwalking.com. Now this one, they don't give you a lot of information here. You have to sign up with your full name. You got to put your phone number in, email address, create an account. Once you create an account, of course, there's going to be more information inside that you can get as well. And we'll share, and they will tell you how you're going to get paid and all that type of stuff. All right. So the second website, or the third website, I should say, is rover.com. So rover.com, look right here. You have dog, you have cat. So I know I said dog in the beginning. Yes, I was specifically talking about dog sitters, but hey, we have some cat lovers here. So if you're a cat lover, you can click on whichever one, right? Or if you're just an animal person in general and you like both dog and cats, you could just sign up for it. So you could just come here, not right here, you're gonna sign up, but this is if someone are looking for dog sitter, cat sitter, where they can find the services to get them, and you could drop off your animals. So as you can see, this beautiful lady right here with a beautiful smile on her face. So just scroll down, and it will give you the different neighborhoods. There's apps that you can download the app, and you could connect anywhere. So just scroll down to the bottom here, and you will get information. If you click on careers, that will give you a whole new tips. So I just wanted to make this video a little bit different than my other videos because, again, there's a lot of people out there that like different things. What I like, probably you don't like. And what you like, probably I don't like. So that's why I create these videos to kind of make sure that if you don't find something, just stick around because I'm going to find something that's going to fit for you because I know what it's like when I wanted to work from home and I wanted to find a better way. So I found it. So that's why I'm in this seat right now, reaching out to you and letting you know that it is possible to make money from home and it's possible to make extra money because a lot of people don't tell you these things unless you actually do the research. So that's why I created these videos just to help as many people. So those are the 3 websites, how you can, make an extra up to $1,000 per month just by dog or cat sitting. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. And if you want to check out my free challenge, it's absolutely free. All you got to do is just click on the link down below. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.